In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to take a bag of frozen mixed vegetables and roast them and turn them into a delicious side dish. We're gonna place the frozen vegetables directly onto the metal baking sheet. You'll want to break up any big chunks of frozen vegetables and spread them right on the baking sheet. Up next, I'm gonna drizzle them with a little olive oil, season them with salt and some of my roasted vegetable seasoning. By the way, right below this video, I'm going to have the ingredients, the measurements, and a printable recipe for you. Now you want to toss the vegetables and coat them with the olive oil as well as distribute the seasoning throughout. And then you're going to want to make sure to spread them out all around the baking pan in a single layer. In case you're wondering, I'm roasting them directly on the pan so the water can evaporate and I can get a better and crispier texture. In the preheated oven, it goes for 20 to 25 minutes, and when they come out, you're gonna see the roasted edges, toasty texture. Now you can use this method with any bag of frozen vegetables. Now that said, the baking time might vary if the vegetables are a little bigger, like with some of the mixes that have large broccoli pieces, zucchini, and cauliflower, for example. All you have to do is transfer them right into a serving bowl or plate them directly, and you've got a tasty side dish that pairs great with any meal. Oh, and make sure to watch this next video to pair it with your frozen roasted veggies. See you guys next time.